Papaya. Pawpaw flan. A dessert from Bermuda. Serves 4. You will need 9 ingredients. Step 1. Puree the papaya in a blender. Step 2. Mix in eggs, cream, milk, sugar, and nutmeg. Step 3. Put mixture in cups, about 2/3 full, and place cups on a baking tray in an inch of warm water. Step 4. Bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 35 minutes or until done. Step 5. Let cups cool. Run a knife around the edge of the cup and unmold. Place on serving plate upside down. Step 6. Sprinkle with grated nutmeg and drizzle with cream. Country Reports, Culture, Countries, Travel.